morning everybody, Calm Biker here. Just taking the bike out for a quick spin. I've been watching a TV programme that Mrs C didn't want to watch, and she caught the last half of the third episode and was laughing. And I've now left her for an hour and a quarter to catch up, and it gives me a chance to take the animal out for a quick spin. If you watched my last video, then you'll understand why I'm happy to be taking it for a quick spin, and that's because I was doing the spark plugs, changing them round, and the coils were in so tight that they split. They just got where every other spark plug coil I've worked with has been like a plastic clicky type to connect to hold it into the engine. These were like a rubber sleeve around the coil, and they were in so tight, and they've been in there a while, I guess. Makes me wonder whether they got changed when I got it serviced by the dealer under warranty. But one of them split completely, well, almost completely, and one other one has a tiny split in it, and I was thinking I'm going to have to buy myself some new stick coils. And then I saw the price, and being a Yorkshireman, thinking I don't really want to pay £85 per coil, and I'm going to have to replace at least two of them. And I found somewhere that was saying about Versys, which is the same engine, that a lot of them have had the same problem, to replace them all with an alternative coil. But even those were about 65 quid each, and then I'd have to get four of them. So instead of that, I got inventive with my glue, and I popped them back in, glued up, and well, everything seems to be okay. And then to make sure they went in nicely and didn't split again, and hopefully come out nicely, and hopefully don't come out by themselves, I've just put a little tiny smear of grease on them, a bit of dielectric grease, the stuff that's got no petroleum in, so it shouldn't damage the rubber, and it's got a high enough dropping point that hopefully it won't melt and come off. But I'd know if it did, I guess it would start to run quite rough. But all back together again, and as you can see, now riding again. So I thought I'd take that opportunity while Mrs C watches the TV to come out and enjoy it, and let you know about my my repaired Z1000. I'd also like to say a Happy New Year to everybody. And this is probably going to be late because it's now Saturday now. New Year's Day was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So it's the 4th today of January. So I'm a little bit late saying it. And I've not said it on the social medias because I've not been on the social medias for a long time. I'm kind of just, I don't think they add anything positive to my life. There's not a lot of ride-outs being organised over the last year that I saw on social media. And that's why I joined the old Facebook thing. So I will keep checking it for ride-outs, and I'm thinking this year I'll probably plan a ride-out. I'm going to have a word with Graham. I'm out with Graham tomorrow, see if we can get the Where's Woody ride. Or it was actually supposed to be Woody's Calm Adventure. See if we can do that and have him actually turn up to it this time. Because unfortunately last time he wasn't able to ride. He actually came to the start of the ride, and honestly he wasn't fit enough to do that, and he probably shouldn't have, and he'd probably admit that himself. But I understand why he did it, because I would have wanted to be there at the start of a ride that I'd basically helped organise. So I'm going to talk to him tomorrow and see if we can sort out a ride for this year, and then we'll put that on the social medias. But apart from that, I'm not really that bothered by them. Maybe I'll do a video about why, but then again maybe it's probably just boring and probably been done by 100 people before who've just got fed up of the negativity of it all. So, anyway, going back to where I was supposed to be in the first place before I started rambling yet more. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2020. Hope it turns out to be a good one for everyone. If you are a biker, then I hope you get to go on lots of ride-outs and have some good riding times and stay safe on the roads. If you're not a biker, but thinking of being one, hope you take the next step. Get out there, get that CBT. It's amazing what you can do in one day, and then you're allowed to ride a 125, and you can have a heck of a lot of fun on a 125. And if you've got a CBT already, then I wish you all the luck and hope you do well and get your test passed. Because that way, not only can you have cheaper insurance and not have to do your CBT every 2 years, so overall you save money, but you can also have fun bikes like this one. We do that. So, Happy New Year everyone. Hope it all works out well for you. Hope you have a wonderful year, prosperous year, safe year. And I hope to see as many of you as I get the opportunity to see through the year. Anyway, thank you for watching. Ride safe. Sorry that this was probably very late. And I'll talk to you all again soon.